How to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Now if you open up WhatsApp, to find your blocked contacts you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on settings. Once on settings, you want to head into the second option that says privacy. Under privacy you want to scroll down and head into blocked contacts. Now here you can see I have one blocked contact. What you want to do is, if you tap on it here, you'll only get the option to unblock browse. You can see here. Now if you just want to delete them without unblocking them, you can simply head into your phone contacts, and once on your contacts you want to open up that contacts and then tap on three dots here, and then you want to delete this contact from your device. Now I'll just move to recycle bin here. Once you delete it, if you head and open up your WhatsApp again and here head into the settings and your privacy and blocked list again, you'll see that there is no contact but the number will still appear. Now in order to remove it from here, you'll simply have to remove them from unblocked list. WhatsApp doesn't allow you to delete your blocked list until you have unblocked them. So this way you can delete your blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.